Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. I want to make a bit of an unusual video today. This is about how to learn French with FluentU. And the reason I made this video is because I use two apps basically to learn Spanish myself, and FluentU is one of them. And I've always got a lot of student questions who are asking me, well, what is it and how do you use it? So I'm going to show you today, briefly, what it's about. First of all, what is FluentU? It's a language learning app and it's available on your desktop on iOS or Android. It currently offers 10 languages: Mandarin, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, English, Korean, Italian, Russian, and Portuguese. I use it to learn Spanish, but I still get access to all 10 languages with my subscription, which is why I like it. It's actually a platform with a large library of real-world videos and audios with interactive subtitles and personalized quizzes to learn the natural way, a bit like YouTube on steroids. The next question is, who is it for? It's suitable for complete beginners up to upper intermediate learners. It's got a large content library that features music videos, news clips, travel vlogs, movie trailers, etc., which is more than enough to keep you engaged at different skill levels. And it allows you to import captioned YouTube videos and turn the subtitles into interactive ones. And I'm going to give you a little tour of FluentU now, and I'll show you specifically how to do this. I'm going to give you a quick tour of FluentU so you know roughly how to use it. When you land on this screen, go to the flag here and you can select your language. You can actually study 10 languages if you want. Let's say I want French. I've already selected my level, which is intermediate. I'm going to leave it as it is. And what I like to do is to do Power Explore because I want to see everything. You see on the left here, you've got 1,970 videos, audios, etc. And you can look by content type, level, topics, formats. And at the same time, you can see what's in the middle and select what you fancy. Say I want to watch this. It is a video. I'm going to click on it. Here we go. So you get the vocabulary that's used in the video. And here on this other tab, you've actually got the whole dialogue. I don't look at that at all. I just play the video. And immediately, when you get there, you see you've got the subtitles in French. And when you hover over each word, it gives you the meaning. You can even click on it and it gives you the meaning in a different context. Plus, it puts it back in the video. It gives you 2 sentences from the video with this word in. At the bottom here, you've got the English translation. I try not to look at that because I want to work out what the Spanish is when I do Spanish. And I only use the pop-up dictionary here. I look at the English subtitles if I really have no idea what they're saying. Okay, now we're going to stop the video and we're going to go back and we'll do the quiz. So this is what it looks like. You see here, for instance, they've given you a sentence where the words have to be put back in the right order. And then let's do already know. Here, it's a different one. It's a missing word. You've got to remember what the word is. Or missing 3 words even. So let's leave that. So now you've watched that video. When you go to My Library, you'll see it here. And you can watch it again. You don't have to look for it. What you can do as well here is import YouTube videos, and I've done that here. All I did was take a subtitled video from YouTube, pasted it in here, and pressed import YouTube video. It takes a while. This one, it took an hour to import. But what it does is once it's there, it turns the subtitles, the normal ones, into interactive ones. Let's have a look. Voila. So it's worked. You got the French, and now you got the English. And that's it for a quick tour, really. Here are the pros and cons, in my opinion. Let's start with the pros. A massive one, it's easy to use. And that's why I can recommend it. I enjoy using it. There's no faffing about. You click on the video, it plays, end of story. I would never actually recommend any apps I haven't tried and tested myself. So you know, it's always something I've tried. You can track your progress easily and test yourself with the quizzes, which is quite important. The automatic flashcards use the spaced repetition learning technique, a method used to improve your memory by reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. And you have access to authentic real-life videos to learn the language. And this is important. It's not just book French, it's real life. The cons, and I could only think of two, is that the full price subscription cost is high and that there isn't much material for advanced students. That's all really. Now the question is, how much is it? Well, remember you get a free 14-day trial as standard. And if you want to pay monthly, the full price is $29.99. But if you use my link, which is in the description below, you get 40% off the yearly price. So you only pay $11.99 monthly. And I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. So it's win-win really. And as usual, remember you could claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description below.